All right, so today we're going to learn how to submit an assignment in Schoology via Kami. So to start, you need to go to Schoology, and you need to then go to the assignment that you want to submit. You can either go directly to the assignment in the course, so you can click on Courses, go to your class, and then go to the assignment that way. If it's something your teacher has assigned, you can also just go to the right-hand side here, and it should actually pop up in here. Now I'm going to click on a different one just because I have to use a different class. But it works the same way. You start by clicking on the assignment, and you're going to notice that there's a couple different ways. If you click on this, all that does is it brings up the PDF. So if your goal is to kind of print it and work it out by hand, you can do that. But what we're going to click is Open Assignment with Kami. And it's going to open. It's going to do some fun things. It's going to open it up. And now you have the ability to draw. So if you have your stylus, you would just flip your Chromebooks, or you could just write directly on the screen, however you find it more comfortable. And you're just going to use all the options over here. Some of them are locked, but if you want to use the text box, you can type in things. I'm going to use the drawing feature just because. But if you're going to go ahead and solve equations, you would start by doing all your work. Then you say like, I don't have a stylus, so I have to use my mouse, but you could say hi. But once you're done completing all of your work for the entire work, once you're done completing your assignment, what you are then going to do is up at the top, you're going to see there's this turn in button. So what that does is it does two things. It saves it, and then it also is going to take you to the place where if I go turn in, it also is going to allow you, there's another button, it's super easy, you click turn it, let it load, it's going to say exporting, and give it a sec. And then what it's going to do, it's going to allow you, there's other buttons in there, you don't really need anything else, all you're then going to do is just hit submit. And once you know you're done, you're gonna know that see on the right-hand side, it's actually gonna say assignment submitted. Okay. If you want to print it to have with you, you can. If you find out that you forgot a couple problems, or let's say I made a comment and I said, hey, you have to redo these, you would just hit resubmit assignment. Actually, no, I'm sorry. You would just go to Open Assignment with Kami, and then you would just repeat that process. The cool thing about it is that your work will have saved. So you'll have the option, you can erase things. Maybe I'll highlight things of the questions I need you to redo, but then you just repeat that process. Hit turn in, hit submit, and you are good. Okay?